Hey everyone, my name is Ashlyn Nolen. I'm a regional sales executive with Global to Source in the Texas region. And today I'm at the Training Center of Air Conditioning and Heating where I went to trade school. They are actually hosting today and letting me install one of our newest patented products here. So today I want to show you the Universal Capacitor Mount. And I'm going to be installing it on this beauty behind me. It's a 2-ton carrier unit. I'm going to be installing a TES5 Universal hard start kit, and I'm going to be installing a Turbo 200 today to show how one's installed. So what I want to note, opening this bag, you're going to get 2 of these mounts. The cool thing is they plug together kind of like Legos. They interlock if you have space for that. You're going to get 2 screws and you're going to get 2 zip ties. The cool thing about this, if these are already mounted, the zip ties are going to go in very easily. Even if they're mounted, you're not going to have an issue. There's also an adhesive on the back, so if you want to use that in accordance with the screw, I would recommend it. But I'll show you how it looks when we install this thing. So let me take the adhesive backing off. That's where we're going to mount our hard start kit. This is what they look like if they're interlocked. You can mount them side by side if you have the room. I'm going to show you how easy it is to put these zip ties in when they're already mounted into place. So I'm going to feed this through. And there you go. Easy peasy. There's that one ready to go. Let me feed this one in here. So there's that one. I'm going to show you what it looks like when I have the Turbo and the TES5 in place. I ended up hooking them up side by side. There we go. Our carrier 2-ton is happy. Has the universal hard start technology, the Turbo 200, the fuse wire, the CPT terminal for extra compressor protection, and using the universal capacitor mounts. Beautiful. Thanks for watching.